Guys, it's Colorado Trailers. Wanted to show you guys a gorgeous 7x18 we just unloaded. This one's a brand new 2019 Cargo Craft again 7x18 in a charcoal blackout package. Does give you guys the triple tube extended tongue, so you will have a nice turning radius. You also have that diamond plate rock guard along the bottom and that V-nose guard, which is great for rock protection. You guys can see you've got some great exterior LED running lights as well. You also have a side door with the RV lock and cam bar, so double lock protection there. Two 3,500-pound axles, brakes on all fours, black mod wheels, and a black diamond plate fender. You also have side vents under here on the side. You've got another one on the interior. I'll show you guys that in a second. This is great because it's going to give you a natural cross ventilation through the trailer, and that is especially good if we're hauling anything in here with fuel like razors, UTVs, and side-by-sides. We are looking at drop-down stabilizer jacks underneath the rear as well, and then you do have a rear ramp door with a spring assist close, and the black diamond plate wrap around this rear door jamb ties everything in nice together. You also have gutters over both your side door and your rear ramp door here, and a 7-foot interior height, so this is a great trailer if you are searching for a UTV or side-by-side trailer. Also, Performance Nudo floor with Drymax. This is an amazing floor. It's got this great black durable surface here on top, and then underneath this is a product called Drymax. It looks like a particle board. It is not. It is actually called Drymax, and it is a water resistant product. It's going to hold up and last a lot longer than what a standard wood floor will, because it is water resistant and it will not warp and shrink and have all those great properties that a standard wood floor will give you. You also have 4 D-rings in here, so you've got some immediate tie down points. Again, 7-foot interior height. We're going to have about 6'6" at this rear ramp door, and then you do have 18 feet of total length, so that is 18 feet from the tip of the V to the back of this ramp door. So again, great size trailer. You also have an LED interior puck light right here next to the side door with a wall switch, so you guys can come in the side door, turn that on, and get some light. And that back side of this RV lock gives you this right here, a lock, a latch, and a set of keys. So if you guys see trailers with just cam bars and no RV locks, it's missing this piece. And that sucks, because there's no way for you to close the door when you're on the inside or lock it, so it functions more for you like a regular door. 4,900 pound payload capacity. With this unit, it is not rated for vehicles. This is more of your light duty trailer. Again, anything that's 4,900 pounds or less, perfect for toys, work, razors, side-by-sides, that sort of a thing. So give us a call if you guys are in the market for a new trailer. We would love to earn your business. 303-688-8485, or of course always check us out online at coloradotrailersinc.com.